Yo, what's good, YouTube? Just got done live trading. We're actually still live on Twitch, so chat, if you want to say hi, you'll be able to see your chat in the video. You'll be able to see your chats in the video later above my head. But yeah, I'm just gonna go over the trade we took today. Absolute banger. Really like this one because it just was perfect. This trade was literally as perfect as you can do. So yeah, it's actually funny. We're live right now, and we had like 60 viewers. That as soon as I got out the trade, we dropped to like 22. So, but yeah, anyone that's here, say what's up to YouTube. But yeah, but really like this trade because just everything went how it should have went. And I'm just gonna talk about it a little bit. We come onto the market in the morning, kind of choppy. We had unemployment at 8:30, and you could kind of see the move from that. At 8:30, we had this move, we had this data high, and then it immediately got swept after. This is all pre-market. And then 9:30 opens, not that much more volume comes in than we had in pre-market. Just we are really wicky, so as you can see, we're really wicky. So there's like no point of me looking for a trade in this condition. So I was just waiting for something. We come up, we make this high, sweep this internal. We make this another internal high or external high, I guess technically, on the 5-minute, 15-minute, all that. And then after we make that high, we get this crazy candle down, which just is, insane. We get a 15-minute bearish engulfing candle as well. And something I started to notice, though, is I have this indicator of VWAP and standard deviation bands. And if you look like kind of closely, you'll see these little grayed out lines. This one right here is VWAP. This one's VWAP standard deviation +1. This one's VWAP standard deviation -1. And if you kind of like zoom out, you can see like we rejected it here. I'll grab this to make it so you can see it better. We rejected it here, we rejected it here, and we rejected it here. Well, I'll talk about that one in a second, but we rejected it twice. And then if you also look up here, we rejected it here, rejected the VWAP +1 here, and then we also rejected the VWAP +1 here. So I'm seeing a pattern. We're in a range right now. We're bouncing like this. So I find that first, not something I take trades off of most of the time, but it's just something I find interesting and something I could definitely look at. And so when I see us bounce off this, bounce off this, bounce off this, and then bounce off this, and then we subsequently come down and we turn, and I was like, ooh, this would be interesting if we bounced off this this VWAP as well again, just like we have been. And it turns out we actually do pretty much perfectly. When we get this 5-minute engulfing candle and completely bounce off this VWAP. And then obviously I mark out this 5-minute. So what I'm looking to do here is I'm looking to inverse this 5-minute, but you guys know, if you've seen any of my trade recaps or watched the lives, that I enter off CE, or consequent encroachment, which is just the dashed line in the middle of a PD array or fair value gap, order block, anything. It's just whatever the 50% level is of any confluence, really, that is like this. And basically what I look for there is I look for a 1-minute candle to close above the 5-minute CE of the 5-minute fair value gap that I marked out. So I marked out the 5-minute. That's what this gray box is. And then this dashed line is the CE. And once we close above here on the 1-minute, I set my limit at the CE. And if we come down and I get tapped in long, then I'm in long. So if I don't get tapped in and it runs without me, that's fine too. But turns out, as you can see, the next candle, we got tapped in, bottom ticked it. We never had drawdown after that. So got tapped in longs here and literally never had drawdown after that. Set the TP at the most obvious high. I mean, where else would you set TP? It's literally, this is a cookie cutter trade for me. And then, yeah, got tapped in longs, 0 drawdowns, set the stop loss at this wick. Why did I set my stop loss here? Just because it's the most recent low before we got the entry. So yeah, technically I risked 43 points on this, but it never even went red. So yeah, then it just ripped up. We almost got stopped at break even here because I was break even on this, just because I saw how slow we were grinding up and I really didn't like it. And we also got this really bearish candle, so I went break even and then we came down. I thought I was gonna get stopped at even, but turns out nope. We just ripped a TP and very good cookie cutter trade. And I love, and maybe you guys can relate to this in the stream or in the video. I love when you set a TP at a certain level for a reason, like not just for money, but just because like I'm setting TP at this liquidity high. Even this is very basic, I just still love it when you hit TP and then it immediately reverses after you hit TP. I just love that. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it's swept the high, maybe it's also the VWAP +1, but I just love that. That's so satisfying when it reverses as soon as you hit literally at your TP level that you set. So yeah, cookie cutter trade, absolutely perfect. Loved it. Loves trades like this. 0 drawdown, full TP hit, and just so cookie cutter, even after conditions were a little rough in the morning, as you could see. So, yeah, 63 points on the day. I'm very happy with that. I'm on an insane heater. So, like, if you want to trade with me every single day live for free and be on this heater with me, come join the stream, twitch.tv/CRV trades. Even if you just want to trade on your own and just want to chill in the chat, that's cool too. Just come say what's up. It's so vibes, so lit. So come pop out. I am up insane this week. I have not lost a trade. I'm 4 for 4. Hopefully tomorrow we can go 5 for 5. And yeah, appreciate you guys for watching the video. Check out all the links in the description. Use code CRV to get 30% off all Tradeify accounts as well. Yeah, instant funding. So go do that. Tradeify, literally the best firm in the game. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, giving away some accounts and stuff with them soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Go check out all my other links in the description. And yeah, make sure to follow the Twitch because you do not want to miss these streams. So thank you guys for watching, and hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment what you thought, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace out, chat.